Welcome everyone. Let's calculate mean when the cumulative frequency distribution is given. So here the question is, find the mean marks of students from the following cumulative frequency distribution. And we are given the table, marks and number of students, 0 and above 80, 10 and above 77, 20 and above 72 and so on. So we are given this table. Here in this question, we are given cumulative frequency distribution. So first of all, we'll convert it into an ordinary frequency distribution. So let's see how to do it. Now here I am making intervals from 0 to 10, 10 to 20 like this. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 to 100. Now here the students who have got 0 and above marks are 80 and the students who have got 10 and above marks are 77. So how to get the number of students getting marks 0 to 10. So we will subtract this 77 from 80. Similarly, to get the number of students who are getting marks between 10 to 20, we'll subtract 72 from 77. Again, to get the number of students getting marks from 20 to 30, we'll subtract 65 from 72 and we'll do like this. So the number of students getting marks from 0 to 10 are 80 minus 77 and that is 3. The students getting marks 10 to 20 will subtract 72 from 77 and here we'll get 5. So these are the frequencies. Now the students getting marks 20 to 30, for this we'll subtract 65 from 72. We'll subtract 65 from 72 and we'll get 7. To get number of students getting marks from 30 to 40, we'll subtract 55 from 65. We'll subtract 55 from 65. We'll get 10. Now, in this way, we will subtract and here we'll get 12. 43 minus 28 is 15. 28 minus 16 is 12. 16 minus 10 is 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 8 minus 0 is 8. So in this way, we have converted cumulative frequency distribution into an ordinary frequency distribution. Now we'll make one more column xi, which is the mid value of this, or we can say average of upper limit and lower limit. So here the mid value of 0 and 10 will be 5. Here we'll get 15. 20 and 30 average is 25. Here we'll get 35. This is 45. This is 55. 65. Mid value of this is 75. Mid value of this is 85. And mid value of this is 95. These are the frequencies Fi. If you do this question by direct method, then you will have to multiply Fi and Xi. You will make one more column Fi Xi and you will do by using the formula. But here these numbers are too big, and when you multiply these numbers with all FIs 5 and 3, 5 and 15, 7 and 25, you will get big numbers. So to avoid that and making my calculation more simpler, I am using assumed mean method. I have made one more column DI, which is equal to xi minus a. What is a? A is assumed mean. So how to choose the assumed mean? So what we have to do, we have to see the mid value. So in this there are total 10 numbers. So you can take this number or this number. So I am taking this as a, and I will find the value of D1, D2, D3 and so on. To get the first value D1, we will subtract 55 from 5. We'll write 5 minus 55. It gives us minus 50. Then we subtract 55 from 15. It gives us minus 40. Then we subtract 55 from 25. We write 25 minus 55. It gives us minus 30. Then we subtract 55 from 35. We write 35 minus 55 equals to minus 20. Then we subtract 55 from 45. We write 45 minus 55. It gives us minus 10. Now 55 minus 55 will get 0. Now 65 minus 55 will get 10. 75 minus 55 will get 20. 85 minus 55 will get 30. 95 minus 55 will get 40. Last column, FI, Here we have to multiply these F, the values of this column and the values of this column. 3 into minus 50 is minus 150. 5 into minus 40 is minus 200. 7 into minus 30 is minus 210. 10 into minus 20 is minus 200. 12 into minus 10 is minus 120. 15 into 0 is 0. 12 into 10 is 120. 6 into 20 is 120. 2 into 30 is 60. 8 into 40 is 320. Now summation Fi. The total of all these numbers is 80. And summation FIDI. Here you can see this negative and this, when you will add all these numbers, this negative and this positive will be cancelled. When you will add all these negative numbers, it will be negative 760. And when you will add these positive numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, here you will get 500 plus 500. So this is negative 760, positive 500. The answer will be minus 260. So summation FIDI is minus 260. Now we'll use the formula. Mean x bar equals to A, assumed mean, plus summation FIDI upon summation FI. So here the assumed mean A was 55. Assumed mean is 55. Now A will write 55 plus summation FIDI is minus 260 upon summation FI is 80. So this is 55. We can cancel 0 with 0. We will divide 26 by 8, or we can cancel 2 4s are, 2 13s are, and we will divide 13 by 4. 13 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 2s are 8, and 4 5s are 20. So here we get negative, this is negative 3.25. And when you subtract 3.25 from 55, when you subtract 3.25, you get 57.15. So when we subtract 3.25 from 55, we get 51.75, and this is the mean, 51.75. So here mean x bar is equal to 51.75 marks. Now you try to solve these two questions. Thank you for watching and learning. Stay healthy, stay safe.